Ara si Beaver ang magaling dyan eh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Paano sa Australia yung happy birthday doon?
Happy birthday to you, mate. Happy
Solo lang ni Erica.
Hip hip.
Alright, game.
Hip hip!
Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Okay. Si Junjun ang maghahati ng ng lechon. Hindi, ganyan lang. Isang bagsak lang. Kawawa naman yung aking kamag-anak. Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Pera na lang!
O, kayo na pang madaling araw yan, Shirip eh. Okay. Happy birthday, Junjun. Happy birthday, Chelsea. Happy birthday, Nobs.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Leloy!
Happy birthday. Oo, si ate sasayaw. Happy birthday. Oh, yung cake. Buksan ng cake.
Ayaw na, ho!
Arak may babaw mo yung cake. Excuse me.
Ha?
Ilagay dito sa ibabaw ng dahan-dahan lang na hindi maano. Yan.
To you. Happy birthday.
Oh, humarap ka dito. Yung mga dancer. Oy. Yung mga dancer, harap dito. Ay, tanong kang Uncle Mark. Happy birthday! What will you say?
I wanna say thank you. Okay.
Happy birthday! Oy, tsaka may kasama pang Arag, anong tawag dito? Puso.
Puso. Kanin.
Oo.
Oh, mahablang ka.
Oh, yan. Another, sponsored by Tita Antang.